We should take them to kindergarten. Let's go. Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus. Where should I sit? Where should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class. Let's go buy some stationery at a school. Pick your cart. I want to bring them to class. Let's go get them. Quilt. Yes. It's what? Pencil case. Hand sanitizer. Notebook. Water bottle. We have school bag. Pillow. Put money in the drawer. Everything has been bought. Thanks! We finished shopping. Let's get on the bus. Hi, BabyBus. Hi, Kiki. Get on the bus. Where should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. Let's go. Next up is the photo studio. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class. Let's go take some photos. So many pretty clothes. What should I wear? Turn on the light, please. Click the camera and take a photo of me. It's such a beautiful photo. Thank you. Wow, I like these clothes. Let me try them on. Turn on the light, please. What a great photo. Thank you.